Hey,
My beautiful people, welcome to AI Decoded. Today I will tell you that how to get access to Leonardo AI without waiting or joining Discord server, so let's get started.
First, go to Leonardo.ai, link is in description. Here type your email, and click on Count Me In. You will redirected to this page, then come back to previous page. Here, click on the 3 lines on top right corner of the page. Then, click on Launch App and tap on Yes, I'm whitelisted. You will be redirected to this page. Here, click on Login, then tap on Continue with Google, then select the email that you entered on first page. Then you will see this page. Here, type a username and select Art, and confirm the 18+ option, then click on Next. Then select the consumer option and click Start. Now you can access Leonardo AI. Click on 3 lines and go to AI Image Generation. Here, you can write the prompt of image that you want and click Generate. The AI will generate images for you. If you don't like an image, you can regenerate images. To download image, click on it and tap on Download option. The image will get downloaded.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.